South Korea has taken a major step forward in the development of autonomous aerial combat systems with the unveiling of the Low Observable Unmanned Wingman System, LOWUS. On February 25, 2025, the Agency for Defense Development (ADD) and Korean Air introduced this cutting-edge stealth drone at a rollout ceremony held at the Korean Air Tech Center in Busan. Designed to operate in coordination with piloted fighter jets, LOWUS is poised to revolutionize modern warfare by providing advanced reconnaissance, electronic warfare and precision strike capabilities. The development of LOWUS is a key component of South Korea's broader strategy to enhance its defense capabilities through manned-unmanned teaming. The drone has been designed with stealth as a primary consideration, featuring radar-absorbing materials and an aerodynamic structure that minimizes detection by enemy sensors. Equipped with state-of-the-art electronics and an advanced sensor suite, LOWUS is expected to play a crucial role in ensuring air superiority in future conflicts. The project, which began in 2021, is the result of collaboration between ADD and Korean Air, with support from the Defense Acquisition Program Administration (DAPA). The first test flight is scheduled before the end of the year, with extensive trials planned through 2027. During these trials, a piloted aircraft will take direct control of the drone, assessing its ability to integrate seamlessly into combat scenarios. One of the primary roles of LOWUS will be to support South Korea's next-generation fighter jet, the KF-21 Boramae. The drone is expected to complement the KF-21 by executing air-to-ground missions, reducing the risks faced by piloted aircraft in contested airspace. Additionally, its stealth characteristics allow it to penetrate enemy defenses and conduct high-risk operations, such as electronic warfare and reconnaissance, without exposing human pilots to unnecessary danger. Beyond its role with the KF-21, LOWUS is being developed with adaptability in mind. The drone could potentially be integrated with other aircraft, such as the FA-50, a light combat jet already in service and exported to multiple nations. This flexibility could enhance the appeal of South Korean defense technology in the global market, positioning the country as a leading innovator in networked aerial warfare. The introduction of LOWUS follows a broader trend in military aviation, where nations are investing heavily in autonomous and semi-autonomous combat systems. South Korea has been proactive in this area, establishing a dedicated drone operations command in 2023 to oversee the integration of unmanned platforms into its military forces. Additionally, past initiatives such as efforts to pair drones with military helicopters demonstrate a continued commitment to advancing autonomous combat technologies. The successful deployment of LOWUS could mark a turning point in South Korea's defense strategy, offering new tactical advantages and expanding the country's influence in the international arms market. As testing progresses, the drone may become a model for future developments in autonomous warfare, further solidifying South Korea's position as a key player in the defense industry.